If you haven't already tried echo3D's multimodal search, this is the video for you. Searching through your collections using text has always been possible through the console and through API, but now you can also search with images and 3D models. Searching by text will filter through asset data like file name, tags, names of linked files associated to the asset, and metadata. How you do that is by coming up to the search bar, typing in the keyword that you want to search for, and it'll automatically search through all of your collections to find that asset. Searching by image, on the other hand, allows you to upload any JPG, JPEG, or PNG. The search results will then show all 3D models and image assets that have at least 50% visual similarity. How you do that is by coming up here to the search bar again and hitting this Search by Image button. It'll open up a new tab and you can upload your 2D image from here. And then it'll show you all similar 3D models to that 2D image that you uploaded. As you can see, this one is 100% because this is the exact 3D asset that I screenshotted earlier and then uploaded to search by image. For search by model, you can click the 3 dots on any of your content cards and then hit Find Similar. And just like searching by image, the results will show all 3D models and image assets that have at least 50% visual similarity to the searched asset. And soon, you'll also be able to search for an asset by uploading a 3D model, the same way that you would upload an image.